Yo! So you join us back for another video, and today's a bit of a random one, and I'll explain what's going on in a second. But first off, we need to load the trailer up. We've got Tom, Jack, Morgan all over here. We're gonna go and pick up another car, and I'll explain what I'm getting and why when we get there, but I just don't want to like intrude on the lady's house and stuff on the camera, so we might have to grab the car and then come back here and do some talking if you're all sound with that. Yeah. Sound? Let's go get another fucking car. Boys, my trailering skills are next level. I mean, how impressed are you that I just got that out of there like that?
Jack, we're recording in case you crash because that'll be YouTube.
Did he record it? How good was that?
I didn't record it.
You didn't record it? I got it out in like one turn. I was so stoked.
You just said if you crashed, so many views.
Right, we're gonna go and get this car, and then once it's on the trailer, I'll explain the deal with it, I guess, and then we can do a little walk around of it back here. Is that fair?
One tyre fire on the trailer.
Nice. So we're now heading back to my garage again, real quick, because the car is so stuck. Like, we're gonna get my like wheelie tray things, and hopefully that will get it out, because the brakes are literally doing their perfect job by just not moving the whip. So I don't know how we're gonna get it on the trailer, but the lady that we're buying off is brilliant. Like, we haven't stopped laughing. She's basically moving to France, and I haven't actually showed you what the car is. So what we'll do, we'll get the car, hopefully finally get it on the trailer, and then we'll show you, and hopefully you will not give me too much abuse for it.
Is this where I slap? Hold on.
Yeah, I thought I'd vlog anyway, even though it's like super windy. I just want to show you because this is how we're having to get the car home. So I bought an MX-5! Brakes are so stuck on this poor little whip. What?
Do you reckon you can ollie this?
Don't try here, we can try it back at the garage. But yeah, I bought a little MX-5. It needs a lot of work, but I think it'll be a fun little project, and I'll explain why I've got it shortly. Don't leave. Let's just get it home. Oh my goodness, man. Oh my god, we're in the middle of the road on like a blind corner. This is so scary. Come on, oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, go team, go, yes, we're good.
We've got the MX-5 about 20 yards down the road because it doesn't fucking move. Everything's absolutely seized to shit. It's going, oh, hold on. Let me pop that down.
Oh crap.
Shit.
Oh fuck.
Oh fuck.
Oh fuck, Morgan, what are you... Oh no! What have you done? Oh, what have you
I might have
done?
fucked it.
Oh,
Whoops.
no. Right, someone hold the car now from behind so it doesn't roll away. Is it on the trailer?
Yeah.
Sick, sick, okay, sick, no panic. Yes, boy.
Selfie. Final destination.
Oh no!
Is that accidentally getting shot to death?
Strapped up. Oh my god! What is that? Look at this! It's red!
What the fuck is that?
Boys, what are you saying? I'm so happy. I think it's so funny. So what we'll do, we'll get this whip back to the house, and then I'm going to explain everything. Okay, let's go.
You got some free anal beads around the rear view.
Free anal bead. Boy! And then Morgan.
I reckon that's going to take a lot of work to fix it.
I don't think it really will. It just needs a clean, a new battery and a new brakes.
Yeah, I think you spent...
Whoa. So this car was owned by Roy Purdy. We've got the car back here successfully, which is brilliant. Thank you guys so much for helping, by the way, because me and Morgan would have never done that, and I was going to go on my own. So like, I'm glad that you guys stuck it out and helped me. So here's the new car. It's a Mazda MX-5 1.8, as we just found out, because we didn't actually ask when we got there. I literally just gave her the money and gone. Like, honestly, even in this rough condition, it is in rough condition, it's still a good deal. So the reason I bought it, I'll tell you the reason last, so you have a reason to stay till the end of the video and watch all the adverts. As you can see, it's grown a small country on the side of it. That is so disgusting. Oh my god. The V-Reg 99, I think V is. It's the same as my Nissan. It's got, what is it, cloth interior? I don't actually even know. Yeah, cloth interior. So it's pretty horrible, to be honest. Like, condition-wise, it's what you'd expect for what I paid for it. Luckily, I managed to get the roof included in the deal, which has made it worthwhile, basically. Let me just say that. The deal was worthwhile because I got the roof in it. So, what do you think? Like, I got offered this car about a year ago, and she finally accepted my offer on it. The plans are, they're rough plans. Out there. I don't have enough going on, as you can tell already, with the EG, the Nissan, and have I got any other cars? I've got the M3. Oh yeah. So I've got a lot going on, as you can tell, but like I said, I got such a good deal on this, I couldn't turn it down. And the plan is to get it like roadworthy, without too much work, brakes basically, and a new battery, clean it up as best I can, and see if we can get it for an MOT.
Please pop the hood.
We'll pop the hood in a second. I actually want to give this car to my mum, so me and her can share it as like a little summer car. So that was the main reason for saying yes to buying it. It's going to be a car that I'm going to modify, because I want my mum to drive around in a modified whip. Because I just think that would be really funny that my mum has to drive around in a modified car, but I'm going to give it to her to use as well. The reason I bought it is because it's one of her friend's cars anyway, so that's why I got a good deal on it. I really don't think it's going to take that much, but I say that about everything. I did say it 2 years ago about the EG. And that's still
yeah, in pieces.
in there in bits. But yeah, I just thought it'd be cool, like, because it's my mum's mate's car. My mum's always had a little thing for MX-5. She always thinks they're cute little cars, which they are. It got the hard roof with it. First protocol is we're going to take that front wheel off, because as you can see, the tyre is just so destroyed. And put this one on that I actually got with the blue EG, so that's come in handy. Roll it up onto the garage bit up there, and then bounce and get a Nando's. And walk the dog. We've got to walk my dog, but yeah. That's pretty rad. I'm actually... Oh, should I show them some of the greenery that's grown on it? The front here has a wonderful little plant. Oh my god, that's so disgusting. It's got roots. Look, it's actually got roots. Oh my god, how has this even happened? Engine reveal.
Hit my ride moment right here.
It's actually stuck to the windscreen.
Oh. So this car has been sat for 3 years, but I have belief in this whip, and I believe that with a new battery it will start. What do you guys reckon?
It's got a brand new radiator on it, that's one thing.
Brand new Raddy. Whee! Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my god, look at all the spiders in here. So it might be pretty rotten, but we don't know until we've like, had it up in the air properly. Yeah, you love that spider, don't you? So it's quite a skinny one though, isn't it? The car that realistically cost me nothing, you know, in the grand scheme of things, it owes me very little. I now have a car that I can practice on, I can still modify and have fun with, but I hope to learn with as well. And I think...
Flog that roof and you have a free car.
Don't tell people that. Like, the car itself really owes me very little. Obviously, it's not in great condition anyway, but it gives me a real point to practice on and have fun with, and just enjoy for very little money. And it also allows me to create content for you guys, and I hope that you guys will stick around for it. I don't think people understand that if I didn't do YouTube, I'd still do stupid shit like this. Like, I have been doing this since I was like 14, buying crap cars. So it's just another one to add to the collection. I've never had an MX-5 before, and I think it's actually really funny. I do think it's a really funny little car, and the fact I got the hard roof with it is amazing. Now, I have some initial plans that I want to do. Yeah. I want to lower it. I want to replace the original roof with a tan roof, because I think this colour is like, I think it's the same as Boosted's. I think it's the same as Boosted's. But I'm going to put a tan roof on it. I'll get a nice little set of wheels on, and do you know what? I might even put the Volks on it for a little while. Like, don't tell anybody that. Yeah, this is, don't think just because I've got that though, that this is now going to get even more neglected. This isn't. I've got this all planned out with a couple of guys. We're going to smash this out hopefully in a weekend, like a huge amount of work on it. Really like crack on with that. The Nissan, I've got a fuel filter to chuck in this week before Matsuri, so that will get some love in. The BMW, Jack is actually down because he's picked up BMW wheels, as you've seen in the last video. What's up?
This wheel don't fit behind caliper.
Don't fit over the caliper. Let's try that one. Okay, that wasn't handy at all. So yeah, that's the reasoning for the car. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to practice on. Now, I know a lot of you guys that do watch get frustrated that I don't know stuff, but I do know a lot of stuff to do with this thing. I'm scared to put it into practice in case I ruin it like I did with that bumper the other day. Anyway, for now, it's freezing, my dog needs a walk, and then we're gonna go get a Nando's. So, are you gonna vlog the rest of this day?
I'll probably end it off here, to be honest.
No, vlog the rest of the day. Because then people can go from this video to your video and watch the rest of the day unfold. The craziness that will unfold. But
brown man eat chicken.
I'm gonna now leave the video here. I hope you guys will stick around and watch the progression of this. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Like, I'm gonna have a lot of fun, like trying to do shit on this, like restoring the headlight and all like that sort of stuff. And yeah, I'm really excited. And I think that's good to be excited about the whip. So we're gonna like jack it up here and we're gonna bounce. Peace.